Welcome to the world of butter chicken, a dish that has captured the hearts and taste buds of millions. In this chapter, we'll explore the origins of this beloved dish and set the stage for our culinary adventure. Butter chicken, or murg makhani, traces its roots back to the bustling streets of Delhi in the 1950s. It was created by accident at the famous Moti Mahal restaurant, where leftover chicken pieces were tossed in a rich, creamy tomato sauce. This serendipitous invention quickly became a sensation, spreading its aromatic allure across the globe. Get ready to embark on a flavorful journey that will leave you craving for more. From the vibrant spices to the velvety sauce, each step in this recipe pays homage to its rich heritage while making it accessible for your kitchen. So, gather your passion for cooking and your love for Indian cuisine. Let's dive into the art of making butter chicken, starting with the essentials you'll need. Join us as we take the first step in our butter chicken adventure. Before we begin our culinary adventure, let's gather our culinary weapons. Fear not, for this recipe calls for ingredients readily available at your local grocery store. For our butter chicken, you will need boneless, skinless chicken thighs, plain yogurt, lemon juice, ginger garlic paste, garam masala, turmeric powder, butter, onions, tomatoes, heavy cream, fresh cilantro. Now that we have our ingredients prepped and ready, let's move on to the next step, marinating the chicken. The key to a truly exceptional butter chicken lies in the marinade. Our marination method is the perfect blend of convenience and flavor. Combine 200 grams of yogurt, 30 grams of lemon juice, 20 grams of ginger garlic paste, 10 grams of garam masala, 5 grams of turmeric, 10 grams of chili powder, and 5 grams of salt. Add the chicken pieces, ensuring they are well coated. Cover and refrigerate until ready to cook. With our chicken happily marinating, it's time to turn our attention to the heart of the dish, the luscious, creamy sauce. Heat oil and butter in a large pan over medium heat. Once the butter melts, add the chopped onions and cook until golden brown. Add the chopped tomatoes and cook until they soften. Now add the remaining marinade and cook for a few minutes, allowing the spices to bloom. Finally, stir in the heavy cream, and there you have it, a velvety, smooth, rich, and utterly irresistible butter chicken sauce. Why are there not more people talking about how easy it is to make delicious butter chicken at home? Our marinated chicken and creamy tomato sauce are ready. Heat a skillet over medium heat. Cook the marinated chicken for 6 to 8 minutes until browned. Add the chicken to the simmering sauce and stir to coat. Simmer for 5 minutes to meld flavors. Garnish with fresh cilantro. And there you have it, your butter chicken, ready to be devoured. Congratulations, you've done it! You've successfully prepared a restaurant-quality butter chicken in the comfort of your own home. Serve your butter chicken hot, garnished with fresh cilantro and a dollop of butter. Pair it with fluffy basmati rice or warm naan bread to soak up the delicious sauce. Enjoy! As you savor each delicious bite of your butter chicken, impress your fellow diners with these fun facts about this iconic dish, accidental invention. Butter chicken was created by accident. A Delhi-based chef tossed tandoori chicken in a creamy tomato gravy to prevent it from drying out. Typically, the dish includes 500 grams of chicken, 200 grams of tomato puree, 100 grams of butter, and 100 milliliters of cream. Global phenomenon. Butter chicken is one of the most ordered Indian dishes worldwide, enjoyed by millions across the globe. Our butter chicken recipe proves that you don't need to be a seasoned chef or spend hours in the kitchen to enjoy authentic Indian flavors. With a few simple ingredients and some clever time-saving techniques, you can create a culinary masterpiece that will impress your family and friends, offering a quick and easy way to experience the magic of Indian cuisine. We'd love to hear about your butter chicken adventures. Share your culinary creations with us on social media and let us know how your dish turned out. Spread the love and inspire others with your culinary triumphs. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious recipes.